Okay, I don't know about you, but I am not a strong good worker, but I don't know why, but the North Korean workers spend $890 million on this. I don't know about you all, but I would not spend all my money on that, you get it. War of the Worlds. So how much this movie has grown and caught more people. Let me play 2 clips of it right now. Oh, how that movie was so good and so famous, but one thing to make the plane crash model, it took over $1 million. Wow, that is a lot of dollars. Well, I am not the one paying for that, so yeah. Well, while we are waiting for me to catch up, you may think about hitting that like and sub button down below. All done, great. Oh yeah, back to the video and job of typing and making my hands tired. So third, what were we talking about? Wait. Oh, I'm back. I think we got a bit cut of there. Okay, sometimes I just want to be where something is not a lot of sounds when I make videos. Oh, how about this place? Actually, tourists are not allowed here since it's kinda danger on that island. I wanted to go there. I guess I have to cancel my trip. Being lonely, sometimes I feel lonely but don't really want to jump around like I'm in a party or something. Yeah, those are pretty crazy. So maybe I can hang out with my girlfriends. That sounds like a fun and weird idea. Aha, I want to do that. Well, what else should I do? Let's move on. Being sad. Well, sometimes I feel sad after like losing a loved one, after my grandpa died, after my friend died, well, after some motorbikes falling and some ships sinking. Wait, what was that last one? Turns out the Costa Concordia sank 12 years ago and made 32 people lose their lives. Not a cheap building. This building, named the Great Mosque of Mecca, costed $115.2 billion in 2022. Wow, that is almost over Elon Musk's credit card. Maybe, man, only if everyone had that much money, man. Only if I would start working a job when the universe started, I would have a big pile of cash right now. Yeah, cash is very important. Well, I am going to end it here. So hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to our channel.